Hey, so this video is for my girls who are balling on a budget because this unit is cute and affordable. This unit only costs $150 and it has this super lightweight lace and it's called Air Lace, which is super interesting. So definitely keep on watching for more detail. So this video is all about the company CurlsCurls, and if you don't know about CurlsCurls, I actually have a few videos of them already on my channel, but they have dozens of different hairstyles all about curly hair that match every curl type. Their hair is beautiful, high quality, and affordable. That's why I said this is amazing for those who are balling on a budget because the quality is amazing. It looks natural. They are not high maintenance at all, beginner friendly, super easy to install. So yeah, I got this lace frontal 3B 3C curly unit. This is 18 inches and it has this very special air lace. Okay, the lace on this unit, you will see it in a second, looks so natural. It's very lightweight. It matches my skin tone, which is a plus, a huge plus, because sometimes you have these curly units or just units in general and the lace looks a bit gray or just doesn't match your skin tone, and I don't know about that, but this is HD lace and it looks very natural. So I would say this is beginner friendly, but it does need a little bit of work, right? So that's what we're gonna do right now. First things first, cut off the lace. I cut off the lace to my liking, and honestly I really liked how it looked already. And with this type of unit, you do need to glue down the sides, at least the sides of your unit. I always just glue down the sides, not even my forehead part, because girl, I don't even need it. Look how natural this looks. That's basically why they call it air lace, because when I cut it, it looks like this. It looks like my own natural hairline. It blends in amazing. You don't even see the lace. It's so lightweight and it's so thin and it's just very nicely done. Like, girl, for the price of this unit, this lace is so well constructed, so I'm actually in shock. So you better get one of these right now if you're looking for a super affordable curly unit that is definitely worth the price. And I also like the fact that CurlsCurls literally have a little bit for everyone. Like, whether you want to have some color, whether you want to have a specific curl type, whether you want to have a specific length or a specific type of wig, like you have lace fronts, you have closure wigs, you have T-part wigs, you have U-part wigs, V-part wigs, you have clip-ins. Like, there's just so much on their website. You definitely need to take a look at that if you're looking for affordable curly hair that looks natural and is amazing quality, right? Okay, so because these curls look so perfect, that's what I always do with all my curly units. I always just redo the hair. I always restyle it. So I wet the hair with water, then I apply some curl defining jelly, and then I just comb it with my Tangle Teaser, and then I just watch the magic happen. So I love the way these curls clump together instantly, and that's just my little routine that I always do. So yeah, this took me like 10 minutes in total to finish my whole head. So while my got to be glued free spray is drying and my hair's drying, I'm going to apply some makeup because girl, I was not wearing any and I didn't even notice. And my little makeup routine takes me like 10 minutes in total to do. So by the time I'm finished, the got to be glued free spray is dried and I can just, you know, go ahead and diffuse my hair. So after diffusing the hair for about 10 minutes, this is the result. So this is the hair about 90% dry. But girl, it's super cute, and I actually love the way how lightweight this hair is. The curls clump beautifully, and just, you know, overall the fact that this unit only costs $159, it's just crazy. And literally this can be your everyday curly hair unit. You can wear this every day because it's super manageable. The lace is very impressive, it looks natural, it blends well with your skin. So definitely check out the links in my description box. It will direct you to the exact unit that I'm wearing in this video. And hopefully you'll like this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.